Hi guys, good evening. Basically, good night. You all are sleeping, but I'm awake, wide and awake. Today is day 3, Arigato. So, you have seen the heading, it's how to accept the flaws. Okay, so I'm going to tell a story about me and then connect to you how I accepted my flaws and then how I improved it. Okay, so into 2018 I was a core entrepreneur. I was never watched a movie, never into Facebook. I was completely focusing on building businesses in Delhi. Sitting in Delhi, 2016 I reached Delhi. I didn't know how to speak Hindi. I learned speaking Hindi from 2016 after reaching Delhi. People made fun of my Hindi, made fun of my accent, and 2018 I was taking sessions in Hindi. That's how I improved myself. I was fearlessly fearful building a business in Delhi, Manipur, Bangalore, Pune. I don't even remember what are the cities my business was growing. So this is how I was in 2018. I never even celebrated my birthday. I never let my team celebrate their own birthday, just maybe for a half an hour. So I was like, if I come in that area, my team would stand up here. So maybe that was from the fear or from the respect. That time I didn't understand that. Okay, so but while doing all this stuff, while building myself, focusing on myself, focusing on building just the business, I lost myself. I totally forgot to take care of myself. My inner peace was gone, my health was gone, and then my anger was on top. My what to say, I was inside I was going down, but outside I was making money, I was building left, right, and gradually my inner reflected out as well. So 2018, traveled the world, went to Seychelles, enjoyed the party, and everything happened in 2018. But same thing, this also happened. I started realizing I'm running behind money like hell. I was running behind fame. I was running behind the perfection. Okay, so that's when it hit me and I went down. I hit the rock bottom in Jan 2019, Jan and February. Okay, then I accepted my flaws. Started realizing my flaws. Okay, these are my flaws. I have to work on it, otherwise I am dead. This was the situation in 2019. I took care of myself by meditating 90 days continuously. Today also I get a Facebook memory. It's only me. I put day 1. I started meditating till day 90. I don't know, some fire was inside me. Within that 90 days, I took a transformation. My anger reduced. Okay, I started loving myself. I was at peace and my business was also growing. I was also making money in 2019. April, May, June, July, August, September, I completely transformed person. Okay, so 2019 January, rock bottom. I hit rock bottom spiritually, even in money wise. 2019 September, 2019 October, I reached again the top in my business. So the transformation happened along with my mindset, along with my inner self. When I see myself going down spiritually, mentally, physically, I immediately started taking action to correct that. I accepted my flaws. What was my flaws? My flaws was anger. My flaws was not taking care of myself. My flaws was not listening to my partners. The perfection. I was running behind the perfection. Then I completely changed. And 2019 December, I took a decision. I was running behind just money. And 2020, I went to Dharamshala for a trip with my friends, and 2020 February, I went to solo trip from Delhi, Assam, and then on the road, and then I went till Bhutan, Thimphu, and Paro, and from Paro 10-day solo trip. I was alone. I transformed myself. Okay, 2020 March, S Peopletainment happened. The business happened. The business ideas came. And again, I want to teach people how meditation can transform your flaws when you accept your flaws, when you take action on that, action against it, against your flaws. Okay, when you accept it, you will be at peace and you will take action on it. Okay, and I want to tell you one more incident of my transformation, the result of my transformation. The result of my transformation just happened. I was so stunned about myself. I was so fall in love with me again, with myself. Okay, I was talking to Rolly, she knows me since 2018. Rolly, is this me? Is this really me? Because I was decided to move to Bangalore. I packed everything. The luggage was overflowing. Put something on packers and movers. The plan went well. We reached airport early, and then I missed my flight. Why I missed my flight? The luggage was overwhelming. Okay, I was ready to pay. Still then, the boarding was closed. The guy in the counter, in the check-in counter, वो गाली दे रहा था मेरे को. He was giving me all the bad words. He looked at me and asked me, have you ever sat in an aeroplane? This is what he asked me. And I was like, if it is 2018 Swati, I would have called police. I would have taken him for a ride, trust me. I would have made his life hell. My mom was also with me. I was not even getting angry at that point of time when he asked me, when somebody see my passport, 14-15 countries tappa lag chuka hai. The stamp has been done on my passport, and that guy was asking me, have you ever sat on a plane? I was like, my focus was not to fight with him. My focus was just to get the flight. And then he denied you cannot fly. I was like, okay. So I was sat there. Thanks to my network, I called few people. Next flights, I got the flight. Thanks to Vistara Airlines. Vinith, if you're watching, thank you so much. So I flew next flight to Bangalore, and I was completely transformed myself, and I realized my transformation because of this meditation. And then again, same thing happened. My 49-inch LG TV was bought for 60,000 rupees in 2018. Came broke because of packers and movers on the way from Delhi to... I didn't even shout at that guy. I was sad, obviously. It hurt me. I was sad. But I never scolded him. If it is 2018 Swati, would have filed a police complaint, would have taken him for a ride, would have, compensated from him, get a compensation from him in a very ugly way. So that was me, very fearful. But today, I was completely changed, and I like this myself. I like the way I am right now just because of the meditation, just because I accepted my flaws and I worked on it. I took an action. So today I love myself, of being myself, how I react to the problems, how I react to the surroundings. It totally transformed thanks to the meditation, consistent meditation. Okay, and what happened? I asked that guy, whatever amount is आपको सही लगता है, whatever amount is okay for you, just transfer to me. I don't have any problem. He told me he will transfer 10,000 rupees, but he end up transferring 15,000 rupees without me asking him. So this is the transformation happened because of the meditation, because I accepted, I saw my flaws. It is eating me. Then I accepted my flaws and I took action on that. It's just 2 years of transformation. It's just 19 days of transformation. That's why I always suggest people in S Peopletainment, 21 days, you will fall in love with yourself. Okay. So I never shared the story with anyone except Rolly, my co-founder. So if you guys like this story, please like, and what is your flaws? Comment it and let's work on it. I am there to help you to get out of your flaws and convert your flaws, your disadvantages into advantages. Trust me, you will fall in love with yourself again. Take care. I'll see you on next day. Tomorrow, day for Arigato. Ex Peopletainment signing off. This is Swati. Have an amazing night.